Hey everyone, product specialist Matt here over at Gateway Toyota. Something that I come across a lot, just wanted to put out there, from my experience here doing this, is a lot of times it asks for the PIN. It comes up on the screen, it updates. This is all connecting the Toyota app, your profile here. This is one of the trucks we have here, so you can see my profile. When I hit it, and this will happen if the truck updates, the car updates, the screen will update by the minute. It asks for your 6-digit PIN, which you might not remember from time of purchase, but this is all handled through the Toyota app. So let me switch over to the app. Since I forgot my PIN, I'm jumping into the Toyota app where the Tacoma's in the home screen. Going up to the person's silhouette in the top right opens the account settings. Go to the account, select security settings, and under account PIN, select reset PIN. Sometimes, like in this case, it will ask you to verify yourself. So go ahead and enter your email or phone number, and it will send a verification code. Enter the 6-digit code, will verify that it's you and allow you to reset the PIN. For demonstration, I'll keep it simple and go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, putting it in a second time to verify, and it's as simple as that. The PIN is successfully reset, and let's go back to the truck. Back in the cockpit of the truck here. This does update by the minute between the phone and the Toyota servers. So all we have to do now is just put in that 6-digit PIN that we reset on the app. We can hit submit, and we'll check that PIN, and there we are, success. We're signed in. It will update by the settings here. For us, get all the settings that we need, that we're used to, radio presets. If the car has seat memory functions, that will be adjusted by the profile, all just by the click of the current driver and profile. And this will go through any Toyota as well. If you have a Toyota rental car on vacation, something that is available on every Toyota that has this new multimedia system.